Anytime that somebody's really looking to change the indoor quality of the building, I think that's when Cambridge can really step in and start driving the ventilation requirements of the building, as well as heating and cooling it. We're looking to actually build healthier environments for people. I mean, it kind of started with us here.
We like to do our product development, apply them in our facilities, understand the challenges that maybe we face and solve them internally, and then be able to reproduce that for others who may have the same challenges out in the field.
Now we walk out in the middle of summer, it's 78 on a 110-degree outside day. The air is amazing in here, and I think that's honestly what we're trying to do for other manufacturers throughout the United States.
The hardest thing to do is take the first step towards a healthy working environment is to really understand what your options are. Are they trying to solve for an energy goal, a sustainability goal, a decarbonization goal? Are they trying to solve for indoor conditions that are favorable to people?
We first need to understand their challenges, what they're trying to achieve, understand their facility, maybe what processes are going on inside their facility.
Because we're not just going to say, oh yeah, give us a heat load, here you go, here's your quote, off with you. We're going to actually have experts look over at that design and ensure that we're going to get the best possible solution for your building.
We have built quality into our process all the way throughout the system. We test every unit to go out the door to make sure that it's functioning properly.
We test the combustion, we test the airflow. This is not typical in our industry.
Because we care deeply about quality inside our walls, that translates into, well then let's build products that are going to last. That matters to us, and it can't just be for a couple of years. We want it to last for decades.
We talk about ease of doing business. We want to be the people that when you have a commercial or industrial space that needs heat or air conditioning, that we're the people that you come to.
Working with other companies, we're finding that there's a desire for having a low carbon footprint and stewarding our environment. And that is something that rings really, really true to Cambridge and who we are.
For all of us to know that even the little things we do every day on the line, in the office, anywhere here at Cambridge, actually leads to another business having an enriched and a fulfilling and healthy working environment matters a lot to us.
We exist to glorify God by enriching the quality of every life we touch.
We are in that business of enriching lives through this system that we've developed, but it's in our DNA, it's our big purpose, it's why we exist.